It's good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, guys, as you can see, I'm looking so hot. Okay, so I am looking so hot. So my kids are all over me. So today my husband's club or meeting or whatever. So they're having their end of the year party. So I'm going to follow you. I'm going to do baby girl stuff today. Okay? So guys, we are entering. We are very close to the place. I mean, we're already in the place. I don't know. But all I know is that according to my husband's direction, we are very close to the place. Yes, so hey, now it's some minutes to 10 p.m. I'm one of the smarts, you know. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be hot. This is the season. So, guys, I'm not talking to you. So, guys, we're already there. So, we're entering inside now. Okay. Yeah, look at the environment. Not be smart, you know. Everywhere is looking so sweet. Yeah. Everywhere is looking so beautiful. So guys, we are done. Okay, so we're going home now. Yeah, can you see noise? People are still there. Hey, but it wasn't an easy thing. Okay, but we really enjoyed ourselves. Yes, So, you know what? At times, our husbands will just go for this meeting, and we'll just be worried, like, what are you guys still doing? Because they normally do the meeting, maybe around 4. Then they will do it till maybe 8 p.m. before they will come back, and they will be calling. So today they said, no, you people must come and see what we are doing. That you people always call us on phone. So now we are going home, okay? Yeah. So this is it, okay? You show my YouTube now. So we are going. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later in another clip of this video. Okay? Yeah.